Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start now. Open Settings, tap Display, and select Always on Display. You do this because AOD runs in low power mode and needs system permission, granting it lets essential info stay visible. Once done, pick a basic clock style so you can test quickly. Make sure battery saver is off while setting up. That mode often disables AOD. If a lock or secure unlock is required, enable it so notifications can appear safely. Proceed to customization after the preview appears. You'll customize appearance and behavior now. Choose a clock face and tweak font or 24-hour versus 12-hour formats so information is instantly readable. Then enable notification icons and any quick controls like media or calendar widgets. These reduce taps later. Adjust brightness and auto-dim schedule to balance visibility versus battery use. Once configured, use the preview to confirm spacing and contrast. Make sure to test with ambient lighting to ensure readability and adjust color accents if the default washes out. You finish by saving settings and locking the screen to verify the Always on Display shows the chosen elements. Test notifications and music controls so you know what appears at a glance. Monitor battery use for a day or two and reduce brightness or limit widgets if drain is noticeable. If AOD won't appear, restart the phone, confirm battery saver is off, and check for a system update. These fixes resolve most issues. If problems persist, temporarily disable third-party lock apps and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.